Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching. You're welcome to Daniel Daily, and today we'll be talking about why you need to start a YouTube channel in 2025, even if no one is watching yet. So, dear viewers, I want you to stay tuned as I've itemized a lot of reasons here that will be very helpful to new YouTubers out there or prospective YouTubers. Why you need to start YouTube channel in 2025. One thing you should understand is that starting a YouTube channel in 2025 would be one of the smartest decisions you will ever make in your life. It doesn't matter if anybody is watching the channel yet or if you have any subscriber yet, it doesn't matter. All you just need to know is that you're on the right path by creating that YouTube channel this year. So I'll be covering several aspects, several areas that will be enlightening us or illuminating us on several reasons why you need to start the YouTube channel. Now, the number one reason why you need to start a YouTube channel brings us back to the money or the business side of YouTube. One of the top reasons why people start YouTube is to make money. Yes, there's no doubt about that. But here's the thing. You need to understand that YouTube is not a get rich quick scheme. It will take a lot of your effort, strategy, patience, to get that big break. However, you also need to note that it is a game changer for a long time income and financial stability. So YouTube has transformed a lot of lives. So the most important thing you need to get is that YouTube remains the best and most reliable asset anyone can have, especially in 2025, where the whole world is suffering from several economic crises. So talking more on the financial aspect of YouTube, let's get some facts straight. Even as a small channel, you can generate massive revenue. So you need to understand that um, generating massive revenue on YouTube is not restricted to big channels only. No. So even as a small channel, you can generate massive revenue on YouTube. You just need to understand how to leverage on attention. You should also get that currently we are in the attention era. Just take a look at all the celebrities out there. Take a look at the celebrities out there. You understand that all they do is leverage on the audience. How do they leverage on the audience? They try to picture what can take the attention of my audience, what would captivate their attention. So even as a small YouTuber, a growing YouTube channel, you could make massive revenue if you could understand how to leverage on your audience, if you could understand how to capture their attention. Without having a million subscribers, you could make massive revenue. All you just need to do is be focused on what you're doing, continually engage your audience, and create more valuable content. The second reason why you need to start a YouTube channel now is that YouTube is a low-cost business to start. That is, starting a business, can be very expensive. But then starting a YouTube channel is not expensive. You don't need to own fancy cameras. You don't need to own an expensive laptop or computers. You don't need to own expensive lighting or a professional setup before you could start a YouTube channel. All you just need is a smartphone. And that's enough for you to get everything started. So compared to other businesses, most businesses require upfront capital. But YouTube is one of the few businesses out there where you can start with minimal investment. Yes, you need to learn a lot. You will need to also practice. You will need to improve. But in general terms, it is a low-cost business to start. You can start it freely. You don't need to have £1,000,000 or $1,000 somewhere to start a YouTube channel. It's just free. You just need a smartphone and then you've gotten everything all started. Now, the third reason why you need to start a YouTube channel is connections and opportunities. One thing you need to understand about YouTube is YouTube comes with a lot of connections and several opportunities. The more you grow your channel, the more opportunities opens for you or comes to you. People reach out to you for collaborations, sponsorship, and business opportunities. And this is what is called attraction marketing. Instead of you chasing after your client comes to you. So you become a magnet for opportunities simply by putting yourself out there through your YouTube channel. So this is so amazing, and this is how YouTubers actually move themselves into the bigger ventures because of the audience they've gathered over time. So I don't think there should be anything stopping you from starting your YouTube channel right now. Now, number 4 reason why you need to start that channel is what I call in-demand skills that will make you unstoppable in today's world. So running a YouTube channel, actually exposes us or teaches us several skills that are highly valuable in today's digital world. Skills like video editing, graphic design, social media marketing, search engine optimization, algorithm strategies, public speaking and storytelling skills. Now, let me break them down for every one of us to understand. Now, let's talk about video editing. One thing you should understand is that whatever you do on YouTube, it has to be video. So, you being a YouTuber or having a YouTube channel will also expose you to understanding how to create video, how to edit video. And this does not actually require high technology. No, you just need a smartphone. There are several apps on your smartphones that could easily help you create or edit videos. So moving on to graphic design, as a starter on YouTube, you will understand that as you're uploading, you would need what they call thumbnails. The thumbnails, they're actually more like an art cover that shows the description or could, in a single art, define whatever you're posting. So, and it has to do with graphic design. Being on YouTube will help you, will give you that leverage to understand how to design graphics. You don't need high technology, big computers and so on to do this. All you just need is a smartphone, simple app on your phone. You could design the graphics out of it and then upload. Now we'll talk about social media marketing. The more you engage with YouTube, you understand how you could use your social media platform to market several of your content. You could also market yourself, market your businesses. And then when we talk of search engine optimization or algorithm, you understand that for people who are beginners, I believe when you turn on your smartphone or when you're surfing the internet, you notice that certain things that are of interest to you actually pop up. Now, what does that or what brings about that is what we call algorithm. So you as a YouTuber, the more you engage in YouTube venture, you will get to understand how to strategize, how to optimize your content for search engines. So when they search for anything related to whatever you've uploaded on Google, your content could also pop up. When we talk of public speaking and storytelling, it's very simple. As a YouTuber, you are exposed to speaking, you are exposed to storytelling depending on the niche you are, depending on what you actually put out there for the world to see. So being a YouTuber would actually expose you to all of these skills. And these skills are actually priceless. And even if you don't continue YouTube forever, you now have valuable expertise that businesses will pay for. Whether freelance editing, content creation, or consulting, these skills would make you stand out. The fifth reason why you actually need to start a YouTube channel is to build your confidence and personal growth. A lot of persons out there are introverts. Yes, but you should also understand that a lot of the successful creators we have currently were also introverts. So that shouldn't be a reason for you to draw back, but rather it should be a reason for you to start that YouTube channel. because the more you get exposed to people's content, the more you see how people, present themselves online on YouTube, and the more you create content on YouTube, you also build up this confidence. You also, experience personal growth. At some point, you might experience certain hate comments on YouTube. It doesn't mean anything. It only means that you are experiencing growth. It only means that people are actually seeing you. People are actually seeing what you're doing. So by so doing, you are building up confidence and you are experiencing personal growth. So you learn to speak more clearly, you express yourself better, and then you handle criticism like a pro by being a YouTuber. And all of these are benefits from being a YouTuber. So therefore, do not stop. Do not think of procrastinating. You just need to start now. Start that YouTube channel now. Before we move to number 6, I will want everyone watching this to kindly click on the subscribe button. That is the only way you could support us. You could also like and share the post, and do not forget to drop a comment as well. Thank you. The sixth reason why you need to start that YouTube channel now is for ultimate freedom. That is working from anywhere. You should understand that YouTube is designed in a way that you could work from anywhere. I've seen a lot of YouTuber, and I've also made several researches, and I've discovered that there are a lot of YouTubers out there that have not been to their primary address for a very long time, which means as a YouTuber, you get the leverage to work from anywhere. You could be a traveler. It doesn't restrict you. Being a YouTuber will not restrict you from traveling. You could travel with your smartphone, and once you're with your smartphone, you can do whatever you want to do. That's YouTube for you. Yes, YouTube is designed in a way that it doesn't restrict you to a particular location. You're not restricted to a particular, like just like the regular businesses we have out there, that you must be restricted to your store or your shop or your office space. It's not same with YouTube. As a YouTuber, I could create content from my living room, I could create content from my bedroom, from my bedroom, and upload anytime, anywhere. So that's a very unique benefit for everyone. That's a good reason why you should set it up. You could also have a regular job. So from your regular job, you could create your content, upload anytime. So the YouTube is so flexible. If financial and location freedom are important to you, then YouTube is an incredible part you need to start. You don't need a fancy studio. You can film from anywhere. In short, many successful YouTubers record on their phones while working outside. So don't overcomplicate things. Start now. Start simple and improve as you go. The seventh reason why you need to start that YouTube channel is the shift towards more authentic content. You will all agree with me that currently we are experiencing, or we are recording overproduced, highly scripted content. And then you will also agree that all of these are losing appeal. People are losing interest in scripted content out there. People are craving for real, relatable videos. So the new trend currently now is in real life, that's real world, engaging backgrounds and so on. Point of view, that's your personal take, experiences and insights. And then educational content, that's teaching, sharing and providing value. So therefore, people are craving for authenticity currently. YouTube wants creators to actually produce authentic content, document their journey, share experiences, and provide valuable insights. You don't need crazy editing or perfect shot. Just be real. Just be real, and your main focus should be providing value. And then if you're somebody that wants to provide value, if you're somebody that wants to document your day-to-day activities, if you're someone that wants to express your personal take on any subject matter or any area in life, or your experiences and insights on any topic, then YouTube is for you. Do not hesitate. Start now. Start now, and you would enjoy later. Now, before we move to the number 8 reason why you need to start the YouTube channel, I will still want to remind every one of us that are viewing this to please click the subscribe button. That's the only way you could support us. So do that now. Thank you. Now, the number 8 reason why you need to start our YouTube channel is to find your people. Yes, to find your people. You heard me right. Your friends and family members might not actually share your passion. Yes, a lot of us here, we have friends, family members who do not actually share same passion with us. So, and then maybe they don't even care about gaming. They don't even care about, car racing. They don't care about finance, or maybe some do not actually care about that particular niche you're so interested in. But on YouTube, you will find your tribe. Let me use that. You will find your audience. You will find people who share same value with you, people who share same passion with you. You will find them on YouTube. Yes. So creating that channel will help you connect with people out there who are so interested in what you do, who are so interested in what you're passionate about. Yes. So you just need to create that channel right now. Create that channel, have the community of like-minded persons with you. Build an audience of like mind. You can build a relationship, create conversation, and even turn that community into business down the line. So you just need to create that YouTube channel. So those bad vibes you've been experiencing, you see people, you play games a lot, you're interested in gaming, you're interested in reading, you're interested in storytelling, but people around you are not so interested in that. Just create that YouTube channel. You will find people who are interested in all of this and who would value your passion, who would value what you like. So should you start the YouTube channel in 2025 with all of this we've explained? The answer is yes. There's never a better time to start that YouTube channel than now. YouTube is actually one of the biggest long-term investments you can make for your personal brand, your finances, and skills. Yes, it might feel, daunting at first, but once you push through, the rewards are life-changing. If you want to speed up the process, I'll be creating more content on how to grow your YouTube channel in 7 days, how to meet up certain requirements in 7 days. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, share your opinion on it, drop a comment, and thank you.